This initiative by National MOIC is a very good initiative by the students and their faculty for the university students. I believe that such kind of activities and events are really pivotal for their personal growth and professional growth. And in today's time where youth is not having any directions while overflowing with the energy and passion, they must be guided well. And such kind of events, such kind of activities, such kind of directions can steer them well towards their better future. And a combination of students and trainers makes a very good recipe of creating an interactive session. I believe today's session had been quite successful because I see a lot of change even within these 3-4 hours among the students, and looking forward to see even more productivity and more results, more positive results in the future. Thank you so much. Good luck.